Hello Needham, this is Mike Levin here to tell you what's happening in town throughout the summer. From special events to ongoing programs, all that and more is right here on the Community Bulletin Board. The annual summer reading program at the Needham Public Library is underway. Kids and young adults can log their reading times online or in a physical log distributed by the library. Readers up to age 12 can get a free book and pass to the USS Constitution Museum when they sign up. Children and young adults ages 12 to 18 can win prizes for reading and will automatically be entered into a raffle for grand prizes. The pools at the Rosemary Recreation Complex are open now through August 11th. Here are the pool hours. Lap swim and water walking is 7 to 10 a.m. Monday through Friday and 10 to noon Saturday and Sunday. Family swim is 1:15 to 7:30 p.m. weekdays, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. For any questions, go to the Park and Rec website, call 781-455-7930 or email parkandrecreation@needhamma.gov. The Needham History Center and Museum is celebrating its 100th anniversary with its new exhibit, The History of Needham in 100 Objects. From ancient hunters to a colonel in the Revolutionary War, from farmers, scientists, and suffragists to record-setting athletes and explorers, Needham has a rich history of outstanding people and remarkable accomplishments. This exhibit will look at artifacts and treasures collected throughout the museum's 100-year existence. It's a Needham tradition, the annual 4th of July parade presented by the Needham Exchange Club, and you can watch it live here on the Needham channel. Our feed starts at 9 and our official broadcast begins at 9:30. We'll be live from our location at the finish line in front of the library with hosts Mike Sarge Riley and Colleen Lavery. You can see our live coverage on air and online at needhamchannel.org and our TNC Roku app. The Needham Free Public Library has several events coming up this week. On Monday, July 1st at 10 a.m., Preschool Palooza, as well as Take and Make Crafts Perler Beads. On Tuesday, July 2nd at 10, Budding Bookworms. And on Wednesday, July 3rd at 10, Terrific Toddler Story Time. For more information, call the library at 781-455-7559 or go to needhamlibrary.org. Time for a break, but don't go anywhere. The CBB will be right back.
Imagine always being front row to plays like this.
Ollie comes up with it. Up front, have it go.
Yeah! Woo! Or this. And even this.
Hoffmeister gets the corner, and he gets around the whole corner. And Matt, he could go all the way.
Being able to capture high school sports at their highest level.
Chmielewski under it, and the Rockets are state champions! The Needham Rockets have done it again! A three-peat!
Here at the Needham channel, you can do all of those things and more. Plus, we definitely have our fun here too. Interested? We'd love to hear from you. Send us an email at sports@needhamchannel.org or visit our website, needhamchannel.org, for more information.
Hi everybody, it's Matt Robinson, the host of the Writer's Block here on the Needham channel. It's a local show where we interview authors from all over the place about interesting topics and the process of writing. If you're an author or want to become one, we hope you'll join us on the Needham channel and needhamchannel.org.
Since the summer is peak season for roadwork and construction projects, the Department of Public Works has launched a new interactive construction map. Residents can see where construction is happening and when. To see the map, go to the Public Works section of the town website and click Construction Alerts. For any questions, call 781-455-7550 extension 0 or email dpwadmin@needhamma.gov. The Needham Farmers Market is back for its 13th season. It's open most Sundays from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. This year, the Farmers Market is back at Garrity Way in front of Town Hall, as well as the Town Common. It features fresh local produce, goods, live music, and family-friendly activities. For a list of vendors, go to needhamfarmersmarket.org. The MBTA is doing maintenance work to support Positive Train Control, a federally mandated safety system. As a result, shuttle buses will replace trains on the Needham Commuter Rail line on the following days: Friday, June 28th, Saturday, June 29th, Sunday, June 30th, and Monday, July 1st. The buses run between Needham Heights and Forest Hills with stops at or close to Needham Commuter Rail stations. The next Paint and Recycle Day at the Recycling and Transfer Station will be Saturday, July 20th, with the next one scheduled for August 17th. Needham residents with a current RTS sticker can bring old cans of paint between 8 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. The Reuse It Swap Shop will be closed during these days and no drop-offs will be accepted. Time for another break, but don't go anywhere. The CBB will be right back. The Needham Channel is a community-based television organization that pretty much covers everything in Needham. We cover a lot of different municipal meetings like town meetings, select board, school committee, a lot of high school sporting events up at Needham High School, basketball, football, baseball, lacrosse, soccer, pretty much everything. We have a live newscast every Thursday night, and we pretty much cover a lot of different events with a lot of different organizations. And we're also here for anyone who's interested in learning about television to learn about television. A volunteer here at the Needham Channel can really expect to learn about anything they want, whether it's being on camera, being behind the camera, learning how to edit, really anything involved in the creative process of television. It's really only hampered by their own imagination and creativity. What really makes the Needham Channel special is the people, whether it be the people out in the community that we work with or our staff. It's really just an amazing experience. Check out the Needham Channel on social media for all the latest news, sports, and events happening around town. Follow the Needham Channel, Needham Channel News, and Needham Channel Sports on Facebook and Twitter. Also, follow the Needham Channel on Instagram and YouTube. Get connected with the Needham Channel on social media. Town buildings are now observing their summer hours. Town Hall and the Public Services Administration building are open at 8 Monday through Friday and close at 5 on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, 6 on Tuesdays, and 12:30 on Fridays. The Rosemary Recreation Complex offices have the same hours with Park and Rec 8:30 to 5. The library is open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5:30 Fridays, 9 to 5 Saturdays, and 1 to 5 on Sundays. The Recycling and Transfer Station is still 7:30 to 4 Tuesdays through Saturday, except Fridays when it closes at noon. And the Center at the Heights is open at 8:30 Mondays through Fridays, closing at 5 on Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and 3 on Fridays. Make sure you're signed up for the town's 911 system. Residents and businesses will receive emergency alert notifications to their phone, email, or landline for info related to an evacuation, shelter in place, protective measures, and much more. Sign up at the Smart 911 website on your screen. Have you checked out our news website, needhamlocal.org, yet? A service of the Needham Channel, Needham Local is the newest part of our foundation to provide local news coverage to the town. You can check out our latest stories at needhamlocal.org, and while you're there, scroll down to the right side of the screen, sign up for our weekly newsletter. It sends the top stories of the week every Monday at 1. Would you like to submit an announcement at no cost for the Needham Channel Community Bulletin Board? Interested people and nonprofit organizations can send an email to cbb@needhamchannel.org. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of the Community Bulletin Board. We'll see you around Needham.